Presenting the eufy X10 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop with 8,000 PA suction power and the best mopping under $1,000.
Hi there, Frank George here with my X10 Pro Omni. It's the best value Omni robotic vacuum with 8,000 PA super powerful suction power and the best mopping available, employing the Mop Master 2.0 trademark technology for under $1,000. And it's self-washing and drying and designed for folks with pets. It picks up dog hair marvelously. The specially designed brush roller comes with a small built-in comb that smoothly detangles hair and removes it every time it wraps around the brush roller. This way, pet hair does not get caught up in the roller due to its patented active detangling trademark technology. And you'll absolutely love it for picking up spills and getting rid of stains like magic marker. And its superior ability to clean up the edges of a room for sparkling clean throughout your space. Oh, and it cleans your carpets. They'll be left completely dry too. The X10 Pro Omni's amazing technology is truly plug and play. It's simple to set up and simple to use. What more could you ask for? Download via Google Play. Install. Connect. Each room has been detected and it designed a map. It cleans perfectly both hardwood floors and low carpets too, both at the same time. And when it's all done, it automatically self-washes and dries. The cleaning pads are heated up to 45 degrees centigrade or 113 Fahrenheit to eliminate future odors. You'll see the dirty water tank and see just how effective it is. Oh, and the clean water tank holds water sufficient for 60 days cleaning, so you'll be hands-free to do other things that you enjoy, like time with friends and family. You can control it by voice, by app, or by the Alexa, and the robot talks to you as it works. You'll know exactly what it's doing. It's starting the washing mop. The X10 Pro Omni is best suited for homes between 1,500 to 2,000 square feet. Oh, and there's a child-proof lock, too, to prevent any accidents. And as this unit cleans your home, you'll be real happy to know that the RGB camera in front and its technology protects your privacy. Your info is never uploaded or shared, and it's got security certification. Oh, and the obstacle avoidance algorithm is right from the self-driving car industry. The AI algorithms identify, categorize objects and mark them, and then they avoid them. You have peace of mind knowing that it recognizes 100+ items and goes around them like shoes and wires and trash cans and chair legs. And it even is equipped with an LED light to illuminate in low light conditions. Oh, and this unit has a dust collection box too. It'll filter and collect more than 95% of really small particles like dust and pollen, mold and bacteria, and more. In summary, you'll absolutely love this unit. Again, it's the X10 Pro Omni. It's by far the best robotic vacuum with the most versatile, most powerful 8,000 PA suction power, cleaning in one pass with superior edge cleaning, the best mopping and obstacle avoidance on the market for under $1,000. And it makes a great gift idea too. So get yours today.